Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping for adhesion. Push back cuticles, trim hangnails, and buff the nail plate lightly so jelly stickers grip. Once done, wipe each nail with alcohol to remove oils. This prevents lifting. Apply a thin, even base coat. You want a slightly tacky surface, not pooling. If using LED, cure for 30 to 60 seconds. If air drying, wait until totally tacky. These steps ensure the sticker lays flat and lasts longer because good adhesion beats extra top coats later. You now apply the sticker. Remove it carefully from the backing to avoid contaminating the adhesive. Align the sticker to the cuticle line first, then lay it toward the free edge so no air traps form. Press the center down, then smooth outward using a silicone tool or an orange stick to eliminate bubbles and secure edges. Trim any excess with small scissors, then file the free edge gently with 180-240 grit. This sequence guarantees a seamless look and prevents early peeling by distributing tension correctly. You finish by sealing the sticker. Apply a generous top coat over the entire nail and cap the free edge. Cure under LED for 30 to 60 seconds or let air dry until fully set. If an edge lifts, press it down, clean under with alcohol, and add a dab of nail glue beneath before resealing. Avoid stretching the sticker when smoothing. This causes ripples. Troubleshoot quickly. Small bubbles mean lift and reapply. Deep wrinkles usually require removal, and a fresh sticker to maintain longevity and appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.